dear subscribers, they will tell you so how to fix this error. So here you can see it, error code number, this code. So how you can also fix that. So for fixing that, first thing, just check your time, because mostly it happens when you just have wrong time here. So you can also just tap on change time, and here you can also just change time to another one. Just check your time zone if everything's okay. After, you can try to go here, just go to control panel. Here you just need to check just tap here services. After, you just need to find here Windows Update, and here you just need to open it, and here you just need to set to automatic, and just tap on OK and apply. So if it doesn't help you, just go here to web and just download and install this update for your Windows 7. Here you can see it. So just download if you have 64, or if you have 32 for 32. After, just tap on download. After, you just need to open it and install. So after the installation will finish, you just need to restart your computer. So hope that it will help you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.